Hello again and welcome to Lamai Institute. Today, I'm going to let you in on what is entailed in our Diploma in Project Management course. Come along. Project management skills hold significant importance across various industries due to their ability to enhance efficiency, drive success, and ensure optimal resource utilization. In all industries, project management streamlines operations, enhances collaboration, and ensures that projects are completed on time and within budget. This leads to improved efficiency, customer satisfaction, and overall business success. So what is project management as taught at Lamai Institute? It is the structured discipline of planning, organizing, and overseeing the execution of projects. It encompasses a range of skills, methods, and tools needed to ensure projects are completed successfully. This includes defining project goals, creating schedules, allocating resources, managing risks, and monitoring progress. This course provides students with industry-agnostic skills, allowing them to take on diverse roles in various sectors. It will prepare you for careers in business, construction, technology, and more. This course is designed to equip students with the knowledge and expertise needed to effectively manage projects and achieve desired outcomes. This course holds significant value in achieving business goals for several reasons. Efficient resource allocation. Project management techniques help allocate resources effectively, ensuring optimal utilization and cost control. Goal clarity. Project management teaches how to define clear project goals, aligning them with overarching business objectives. Enhanced planning. This course provides tools to create comprehensive project plans, fostering better time management and organization. Risk management. Business goals can be hindered by risks. Project management equips you to identify, assess, and mitigate these risks. Adaptability. The course teaches adaptable strategies, vital for responding to changing market conditions or unexpected challenges. Stakeholder alignment. Effective project management involves stakeholders, aligning their expectations with project outcomes. Quality assurance. We show you how to emphasize quality control measures, ensuring deliverables meet or exceed expectations. Timely execution. Project management skills lead to efficient execution, reducing project delays and meeting deadlines. Team collaboration. We will teach you how to emphasize teamwork and communication, which are vital for coordinating efforts towards shared goals. Competitive edge. Businesses with skilled project managers are more likely to execute projects successfully, gaining a competitive advantage. Structured planning, organization, and coordination are crucial components in achieving business goals through effective project management for the following reasons: clarity and direction, resource optimization, mitigating risks, time management, minimize confusion, effective communication, task delegation, alignment with goals, contingency preparedness, quality assurance, stakeholder engagement, and efficient decision-making. We understand you will want to know the benefits of this course. By pursuing our Diploma in Project Management here at Lamai Institute, you will acquire distinct advantages that allow you to excel in diverse industries. This specialized program will equip you with comprehensive skills to efficiently plan, execute, and manage projects, enhancing employability and career growth. At Lamai, we provide practical knowledge and hands-on experience, allowing our students to tackle real-world scenarios, develop effective communication skills, and hone their problem-solving abilities. The focused curriculum emphasizes key project management methodologies and tools, preparing graduates to lead teams, allocate resources, mitigate risks, and deliver successful outcomes. The relatively shorter duration of diploma courses compared to traditional degrees enables quicker entry into the job market, while the globally recognized skills make our alumni highly sought after by employers seeking professionals capable of driving projects to fruition in a structured and efficient manner. Our Diploma in Project Management course is meticulously designed to equip you with the essential skills and knowledge needed to effectively navigate the complexities of project management. The curriculum encompasses a comprehensive range of topics, including project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, control, and closure. Students delve into project scope definition, risk assessment, resource allocation, time management, and stakeholder communication strategies. The course structure often integrates case studies, practical exercises, and simulations to provide hands-on experience in handling real-world project scenarios. We also explore various project management methodologies such as Agile and Waterfall, gaining a versatile understanding of different approaches to suit diverse project needs. Leadership and team management skills are also emphasized to cultivate the ability to guide project teams toward success. What we can guarantee at Lamai Institute is that the Diploma course in Project Management strikes a balance between theoretical knowledge and practical application, preparing graduates to excel as proficient and capable project managers across a wide array of industries. We encourage you to enroll in the Project Management course at Lamai Institute. This course offers a strategic pathway to success. Discover the intricacies of project planning, execution, and management while gaining practical experience through real-world projects and case studies. Our flexible online learning platform ensures you can pursue this course without disrupting your existing commitments, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your terms. With certification that holds industry recognition, you'll be well equipped to showcase your skills to potential employers across a multitude of industries. Don't miss this chance to propel your career forward. Unlock a world of opportunities today. Thank you for considering Lamai Institute. We're excited to help you acquire valuable skills that can transform your career. Remember, this course opens doors to a world of possibilities across industries. Reach out today for inquiries at the email below. See you there.